When I reached a crossroads in my career, I knew I needed to pivot. I was ready to step out of my comfort zone, embrace new challenges, and carve out a path that truly resonated with me. And that journey began here at the Mendoza College of Business. When I set foot on the campus of Notre Dame, I felt a sense of possibility. It wasn't just about following a predetermined career path. It was about forging my own. It was about redefining success on my own terms and making a meaningful impact in the world.
At Mendoza, I found a community that believed in me.
A community that challenged me to advance professionally, to push boundaries, and never settle. Thanks to the global experience and guidance I've obtained at Mendoza, I'm not just learning how to pivot in my career, I'm learning how to thrive. And that's a lesson that will stay with me long after I walk across the graduation stage.
That's how we grow the good in business.